show you guys something. You want to see a card trick? Magic trick? Yeah. I'm filming a magic for YouTube. Can I show you guys something really quick?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
We don't speak very well English. Right?
Yeah.
That's fine.
We do.
Magic doesn't need
I mean, English.
to speak, really.
Wait.
That's what's cool.
Wait.
Take one. Take one that you want. One that calls out to you. Flock, go ahead and take one. Sneak a peek. 2 steps. Step 1, Flock, give or take a couple cards. That's about middle, right? We're gonna do a 2-part trick. Check it out. Part 1, take the card and give or take a couple cards. That's about middle, right?
Okay.
About middle. Everyone put out your hands like this. Both your hands like this. All right, 2 steps. Step 1, from the middle of the deck, make the card jump to the top. Quick sleight of hand. That's just a sleight of hand move. Here's where like the magic happens. Step 2, we're gonna take the ace and we're gonna put it in your hands, okay? You guys cover his hand, Carlos's hands. Perfect. Take the queen, cover it like a sandwich. Flock, put one hand on top of his. Or both, don't matter. Check it out. Look, I'll take the next card down. 10 of hearts. Watch. Feel that? Got it.
That ain't the 10 of hearts.
Get the fuck out of here.
Feel anything, Carlos? Got it.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's a good one. That's a good one. No.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. Yeah.
Right. Go. No, I ain't do that, man.
Thanks for watching, you guys. I'm Jarek120 of Disturb Reality. Subscribe and comment below. Come back tomorrow for a new daily Street Magic video and subscribe to my second channel, Best Life I Ever Had. Catch you tomorrow. Peace. I like that necklace still. There you go. Take care, guys. Nice to meet y'all.